Check the temperature. Not bad.
What is it? What's it at?
Temperature is about 93. It's good temperature.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
The subwoofer's taking it, guys.
Yeah, the temperature is pretty stable too. Yeah, it's not rising much. Now it's up to 96 now. Temperature rises a little bit.
That's not that hot.
No, it's fine. They go up a couple degrees.
I can tell you it's doing good because it's not dropping that quickly in extra impedance rise.
Right.
So it's doing really good.
Yeah, it's doing great. It's starting to go up a little more. It's at 98.
What time we at, Charlie?
We're at 215. It's already doing awesome. This is amazing.
I'll be the first to say it. I am very impressed.
The temperature is rising quite a bit. We're at 101. Do you guys see this?
Smell it a little. Like
you're smelling it.
Like finger paint. It's like warming up.
Yeah, I mean, it's still. Can you guys see the temperature?
I couldn't know. You want to show the temperature?
You want to get the temperature?
Actually, can I take it from here to show it?
We're at 102. Yeah.
Temperature.
So yeah, it's taking like a champ. The temperature's rising a little bit.
It is going up a little.
Yeah, but it's still taking it. It's taking the power like a champ. This is.
People want to know if your arms are tired. Everyone's holding the phones.
I just came from the gym. I'm good.
You know what? Yo, Sundown's the real deal, guys.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, 3 minutes. That's amazing.
Asking what the voltage of the power supply is.
The voltage of the power supply, we're at 14.4. It's fluctuating between 14.4 and 14.5. Yeah, the power supply is stable. It's 750 amps. But we're at 3.5 minutes. A minute and a half, and we're going to cut it.
Are we cutting it at 5?
Oh, we're going to do 10, right?
We said 10.
All right, well, we'll go to 10.
I say go to 10.
All right, we go to 10.
What's the temp now?
Looks like we're at 110, and the temperature has risen, but still, not too bad. I'm smelling a little bit of glue, not too strong. It still looks like it's gonna keep going for quite a while.
The people are saying that you're playing with the bass knob. You want to.
Well, as the impedance rises, it needs more gain.
As the impedance rises, you're gonna see it dropping slowly.
You have to.
I have to.
But you can look at the O-scope. It's not clipping.
You see, right now I'm not playing with it. I'll show you when I move it.
If it's clipping, you'll see. You guys got the O-scope on camera?
I zoom in on it occasionally. Yep.
Is there voltage on the
voltage?
right now?
The voltage
it's at full specs.
we're at 14.4.
No, he's talking about output. You can see the voltage here probably.
Oh.
You want to see output voltage? Look at that.
Okay. What's our temperature at? 108, 113, 116.
What's the voltage at?
All right, Charlie, what's your timeout?
We're at 4:45, almost 5 minutes.
All right, guys,
That's amazing, guys.
We're gonna take it to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
If it does this for 10 minutes, I mean, that's gonna be like, wow.
It's already wow. 5 minutes is already crazy.
That's insane.
That's insane. I've never seen a woofer do this, by the way.
Yeah, there's no other 750 watt woofer out there that we know of. Maybe a jail audio, maybe there's a couple. We're at 113. I'm starting to smell a little something.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit of a smell.
I can tell you, it's not.
I'm super impressed. 116, temperature is rising.
This thing needs that 1,000 watts.
Yeah.
To push it. It's taking.
I'll be honest, I don't know if it's go the full 10 minutes, but I'm super impressed.
Yeah.
This is amazing that can handle this power for this length of time.
What's the temp looking at?
We're at 116, 115, yeah, 117 now. It's starting to rise up pretty quick. It's still not clipping, as you can see. We're at 6 minutes. Man, shout out to Sundown. This is impressive.
I'll tell you something. The impedance is barely rising from the heat of the coil. Not normal. I'm not even touching the knob and it's staying stable. The heat's not really rising so quickly.
Yeah, it might go the full 10 minutes.
I don't think it's gonna go 24 hours though.
No, 24 hours, I don't think so, but either way, 10 minutes is impressive.
Ask everybody if they want us to shut it off and then do 1,000 watts, or if they want us to leave it till it blows.
Yeah.
Ask people what they
I'm gonna
prefer.
ask in the comments.
You guys want us to leave it and see how long it goes?
119.
We can leave it, or we can shut it off, let it cool, and then go to 1,000. Whichever you prefer.
Someone said go ahead 1,000 watts, 1,000.
You want me to just go to 1,000 now?
Let's see
Go
what
to
they say.
1,000. Go to 1,000.
Should I go to 1,000? Yes?
I think
We'll do the
let's
10,
let it go
yeah.
10 minutes first.
Should we
1,000.
put- What do you guys say?
People are saying 1,000, 1,000.
1,000?
All right, fine,
Someone said
1,000,
go for
let's go.
1,000.
I don't know if the amp has 1,000 left in it. Let's see.
Yeah, the impedance rises as the heat rises.
All right, now we'll see. Okay, here we go.
1,000. All right.
Now you're gonna see some temperature, I think.
Yeah, it's rising quite a bit now. We've abused the hell out of this subwoofer. We're at 120
Yeah,
degrees. It's rising fast.
It's starting to drop a little bit.
Yeah, the temperature's rising.
Smell coming out.
It's really starting to smell, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, 129 degrees.
It's not going to handle this 1,000. I mean, it might go, I don't know, who knows? We'll see.
The 750 was nothing for it.
Yeah, the 750, it was
There's the
handled
smell.
now like a champ. We're at 122 degrees. It's getting hot.
There's the smell there.
Yeah, it's really starting to smell.
Starting to burn
I
up.
don't know how much more it can take. Oh, it's really, really starting to smell bad. What's our temperature at? I see the watts are dropping.
Wait, someone said clipping?
Is it clipping? I don't see any clipping.
No clipping whatsoever.
We're good. Oh, it's not. Wow, that smell's getting stronger.
25. Oh yeah.
Wow, the temperature's rising. We're 126 degrees.
Scope Clip City, we just showed the scope. No clipping. No squaring off.
We're
perfect
approaching
sign.
9 minutes. Smell's getting even stronger.
What's the temperature?
We're at 127. It's rising. Seems like the temperature dropped a couple degrees. Oh, it's going back up now. Oh, now almost at 128. 127. We're almost at 10 minutes. Are we going to keep it going, or are we going to shut it down? We're just
No,
gonna
let it go. Let's see how
keep it going.
Yeah, let's see how long
Okay.
it goes. It's done. I'm very impressed.
what's the price of this subwoofer? Does anyone know?
I think he said 199, didn't he?
$199?
Is that what he said in the video?
I'm not sure. Mike, do you know the price of this subwoofer?
Someone said 209. Maybe that's
209?
Is it not $299?
$299?
No, I don't think it's that high.
$250, I think.
$250? Are you on their website?
Yeah, on their website it says $299, but other people in the comments.
So $250 and $299?
This sub is worth every penny.
It's good value.
So people are saying it's underrated.
It's definitely very underrated. This is very underrated. This is unheard of.
Yeah.
This has to be like, I don't know, at least a 1500 watt sub. 13, 14,
Even more.
maybe. I think it's got a good. What I'm seeing, it's got an amazing cooling system.
What's our
I'm seeing
temperature
the
at?
cooling.
Well, we're at 134. Temperature has risen.
But it's rising very slow, and I'm telling you,
It's very impressive.
it's got a good cooling system. Because normally when you do these tests, you see the impedance rising a lot faster, and I'm barely touching the remote knob. I don't have to.
I don't know if anyone can even hear us.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know if they can do it.
is it? This might go another 10 minutes.
We're at 11 and a half minutes.
We're gonna let it roll till it goes. Let's see.
Yeah, their test they did was legit.
Very legit.
Yeah.
Man, numbers are stamped.
What's our temperature? We're at 138, so the temperature is slowly rising.
People are saying to crank it higher.
Crank it higher.
I don't know if we should.
No.
It's the temperature's already rising.
People
Let's-
said
let's-
1500.
Yeah, someone said 1500 as well.
1500.
I don't know if it's overrated that much.
It's not gonna.
You know
At
what?
1500, it won't. It's not gonna go too much
Let's.
longer.
I don't want to be overly abusive to it. This
Yeah.
is, but I think we're doing enough use to it now.
Yeah, this is highly abusive.
I can tell you it's getting hotter, but it's not. Okay.
Oh,
So did everybody see that? Okay. I don't know if you guys. That's it. So it just went.
the time. I fucked up the phone, but
It was like 12 last I saw. It was
Yeah.
like 12:20.
I just-
Did you see
Yeah, you
smoke?
guys saw
Guys,
it.
1 second. I want to comment on something.
There's smoke.
Did everybody see the wattage rise at that last second right before it blew?
Yeah.
I want to address this.
Wait, did you just?
Yeah, it went.
Yeah, it
went.
went.
You see the smoke?
It's
You guys,
gone.
you get the smoke?
There's some
Yeah.
smoke coming out.
We don't need to
Can you open the
dramatize
clock
it,
for the
but
final time?
yeah, it blew. The smoke's here.
This sub did amazing.
Guys,
I've never tested a sub that took
Okay.
that much abuse on a test.
Oh, I just want to say one thing, and then we're gonna make our apology. Okay, and then we're gonna take the woofer out, Simon. We're gonna take it out just to show what it is. If you saw it that last second, guys, that 3000 watt y'all saw wasn't me turning up the bass knob like it happened in the other blow tests. Okay, anybody will tell you what that is as the woofers or as the coils are blowing, the amplifier is going as unloading. It's losing all that resistance, and for that 1 second, as it's blowing, basically after it gets scorched, that's when you're gonna see that half a second of that 3000 watt. So Simon, let's take it out of the box and take a look at it.
Yeah, so
Well,
it seems from the
before-
comments a lot of people think you were doing that with the gate
No,
knob.
no, guys, just guys. I had the gain knob in my hand, and I expected to have to use it a lot more because usually you need to compensate. You need to compensate for
the heat and the impedance
The
rise.
impedance rises as it heats. In this scenario, I can tell you, it heated up very, very slowly, and I didn't have to compensate that much. So even though I was holding it in my hand the whole time, I didn't really have to. I wasn't babying it. I was giving it, true power. And
Yeah, the old scope it wasn't flipping, but that's amazing. The fact that it just handled that much power on a test zone for that length of period of time.
Okay.
There's barely any subs on the market that would do what that sub just did. So
Yeah, I mean, a lot of
I'm
people are-
very impressed. And guys,
oh, there's the smoke.
oh shit!
Yeah.
Open the door so you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
get. Open the
yeah.
door. Yeah. Open that door a little bit. All right. So basically. So the question now is going to be, why did it blow on our other test? Okay, so I know you guys think I was clipping it. Honestly, I don't believe I was clipping it. The amplifier had plenty of headroom. Why did it blow? Could it be that it didn't like that song? Maybe. Maybe it would do well in that song. But Charlie, I think we should apologize to Sundown.
Yeah, no, of
Okay.
course.
Because we didn't mean to make their brand look bad.
First off,
I hope we made them look good now.
Well, yeah, no, this was
Yeah,
an
this is
impressive.
amazing. So,
Yeah.
a lot of people are saying it's a
First off,
commercial for
Sundown.
Do you guys want us to cut it open or should we not?
Nah, don't
Nobody
cut
cares.
it.
Okay.
Yeah. We have to officially apologize to Sundown. That first test, I don't know what went wrong with the first test. I don't know if it was a song combined with the game that, maybe the combination caused club. I don't know what went wrong. I'm surprised and very impressed at how the subwoofer did. It took a test tone at, 30% over its rated power for, would it go like 10, 12, 13 minutes, whatever it was?
And you have to also account for the 5 minutes that we were going into.
750.
Yeah, and prior to that, we were running other tests for a few minutes. So that's not normal for most subwoofers on the market. That's super impressive. I'm impressed. I hope you guys were impressed.
So somebody asked, how long would the K9 have done? I'm gonna tell you
Yeah, someone
honestly.
keeps asking.
I'll be straight. The K9 wouldn't have done close to that on 1,000 watts. I'll tell you that right now. It's CA rating. This was very, very underrated. If this subwoofer was CA rated,
Yeah, if you're in the CE rating testing this, you could we just put a 3,500 watt amp to this and it handled it.
yeah.
According to
I
the
was almost,
CEA standards, this subwoofer would be rated much higher.
Yeah.
According to Sundown standards, they can reply and let everyone know what their standards
we don't know what
are.
their standards are,
but their
it's-
standards are very strict. So.
Also, people want us to. I know we already kind of said this. That I think just since we already apologized to Sundown and
Yeah.
EXO, we could give EXO. We already gave you an apology before, but if anyone's who's reading the comments, yeah, we apologize to EXO as well if we offended him in any way.
Sure.
And
Absolutely.
someone said the bass.
American bass.
No, just like the bass community, the bass head community.
Yeah.
So if we offended you guys or got you guys.
Yeah, and just so you guys know, everything was done in all honesty. We didn't know what would happen with this test. To be honest, I did not think it would go this long. I thought maybe a few minutes, but I didn't think it would handle that much power for that long period of time because that's not normal according to the standards of most subwoofers.
I don't think there's that many brands, other brands besides that would have been able to do that. Okay, I don't.
Do you know what the owner of Sundown, what his name is? I want to officially apologize to him personally.
Yes.
Because that test